Alright, hi everyone. Pattern Dash Collections is where you're going to find the next pattern. Pattern Focus is where I'm going to go. If you don't see it when you're scrolling here on Pattern Focus, you can always use the little search bar and search it by name. This one is called Wishes. So it's sort of a dandelion looking thing. We're going to, it's super easy. Wow. Easy, easy. So we're going to make a straight line with a kind of a curve, not super curvy, but you know, like that. Fill it in with dark. You can't see what I'm pointing at. Why is I still have not gotten used to where I've got the camera, but it'll come to me. Okay, straight curve, fill it in. Coming from that, we're going to make these little petal-like shapes come out and around. Is it supposed to be filled in? And then you can fill them in. Out and around, little tiny little petal shapes all the way around. And then a stem, like that. And there they are, just randomly placed on a tile. Or used in a more linear geometric fashion right there. So I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it yet, but there's my paper. And let me give myself a little border. I think maybe I will do that and have some here and then some blowing, maybe. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty. Once again, I want a border. This one's going to be wiggle woggle, like that. And then pen. I'm going to start with one here. It's going to be like that, and like that. Needs a bigger pen to do that. Let's do it with the 8. Oh, much better. Okay, so this part is going to be made out of the bigger pen. So I'm going to put one there. I'm going to put one maybe here. Maybe one here. Going to be different sizes. I'm going to stick one here. One here. And then I'm going to have them going various directions. Like that. Maybe one more. So kind of fill the space. Yeah. Okay. So now it's going to have this kind of shape. Like that. Fill it in. Something like that. And then a thing that looks like that. Okay, just keep doing those. Let's do a question. Do you really brush your teeth in the morning and at night? Be honest. Most of the time. If I forget to brush, it's usually in the morning. Why, I don't know. It just is. That doesn't really help you any, does it? Okay, next question. What is your go-to drink at Starbucks? My go-to drink at Starbucks is zero drinks at Starbucks. I don't like Starbucks. I know, sacrilegious, huh? I'm not a coffee person or tea. And even though I know they have drinks at Starbucks that are not a coffee drink, in my experience, it doesn't even matter what drink it is. It's been run through that coffee machine and it tastes like coffee, even if it's just plain water. It does. And so I don't drink anything at Starbucks. I've tried hot chocolate. Can't do it. I've tried cold drinks that are supposedly not coffee drinks, but yeah, it all tastes like coffee to me. Or it has a tea taste, one or the other. That's what their beverages are, and that's fine. It's just not me. So alrighty. Is your current hair color your real hair color? No. No, it's not. And it hasn't been for a very, very long time. I'm not sure what my real hair color is right at the moment. Probably a dark brown with a lot of gray. Maybe? I don't know. I usually keep it. When I first had my son, I actually started dyeing my hair closer to his color. Because I wanted us to quote unquote match. My hair was always a little darker than what his was, so I made it a little bit lighter. Still in the brown family, but just a little bit lighter. And then my husband liked it with a little red in it, so I started adding some hair color with a little bit of red. And now I bounce back and forth. Sometimes I do a reddish brown, and sometimes I just do a regular, like, golden brown. But yeah, it would probably be full of gray if I were to just let it grow out. And probably a bit darker than I expect. Okay. Next question. If you could swap bodies with someone, who would it be and why? I don't have a particular one person, but if I could swap bodies, I would swap bodies for just one that didn't hurt all the time. If I had knees that didn't throb, and a toe that didn't throb, and fingers that didn't ache in the morning, that would be awesome. Not going to happen. So I don't have a particular, like, I'm assuming that the question is actually asking, is there a particular supermodel or star or somebody that you want to look like? And that, no, not really. But I'd be happy if my body just didn't hurt on a regular basis. Most of the time I just live with it. I try really hard not to take a lot of pain relievers, because I find that if I take them too frequently, they stop really, just, they don't really work anymore anyways. So if I can handle it, I don't take pain relievers. But there are some days that I just need a little help. So I do take a pain reliever on occasion. Okay, and then I want to put a thing here. Maybe one over here. Like that. That works. Okay, what was it called? Wishes? Wishes. Alright, that will work. And that's the last one for the week, I believe. That is the last one for this week. So I will leave it at that. You guys have a good day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Let's make the world a better place, one smile at a time. And maybe tomorrow, maybe I will get my microphone and I can play with it. I'm not sure. I have a massage appointment later today, so I'm not sure I'm going to draw anymore today. We'll see. I do have next week's that I can start on because I'm behind again. I'm always behind. Okay, you guys have a great day. I will see you later. Bye-bye.